Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor. If you have been trying to factory reset your iPhone but find yourself stuck because the device is asking for an Apple ID password you don't remember, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone without needing the Apple ID password. The first method is the official iPhone reset using iTunes or Finder on a computer. To start, you must put your iPhone into recovery mode. For most modern models, this involves quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the side power button until the recovery screen appears. Once connected to your PC or Mac, iTunes will detect the device and offer a restore option, which downloads the latest firmware and wipes the device clean. The second method comes with the professional tool. Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner is the most effective solution, as it is designed to perform a full factory reset while bypassing the need for an Apple ID password. Download and install it now. First, connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. After installing the software on your computer, simply select the Remove Apple ID option. Click Start. And make sure you set the screen lock. Besides, the two-factor authentication should be enabled. Click Download to obtain the necessary firmware package. Then hit Unlock to remove to begin the reset process. After a few minutes, the process ends and you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone with new Apple ID account. That's all. Thanks for watching.